I first heard about Sprout Space when I ran into Alan Post in the office, and he told me we had just won this international competition to design a modular portable classroom. And this is a project that Alan took on himself with a group of other young architects in the firm, and they competed against 1,000 other firms from all over the world to design this product, and they won the competition. And they said, "This is cool. Hey, we won this global competition. Now what? Now what are we going to do with this thing?" And it was an exciting prototype because they brought together thinking about education, about sustainability, about fabrication, about everything all together into one very small, simple product that was adaptable for any number of environments. And we've been talking about this now for the last couple of years, and now figuring out how to launch this to the marketplace and make it real.
What we found in doing a lot of research on this building is that there's a tipping point, which is the price point, because basically the competition for the barely legal buildings is so low. And so we don't believe there is such a thing as a temporary building. These are actually permanent buildings that had the ability to be moved, because statistics show that these temporary buildings usually stay in place for about 5 to 7 years because they can be expensive to move. And teachers realize when they have space, they're not letting that space go. I mean, teachers and administrations always need more space. So we decided, hey, if you're going to have a building in place for 5 to 7 years, it needs to be a quality, high-performing building. And so in order to do that, it obviously costs more. But then you have life cycle costs, and you're saving energy from a lot of the aspects of the building. So, but at the end of the day, the administrators see that price point up front, and so that's what we try to deal with, to still make it affordable, yet to get everything in there that we think is very important.